Happy Monday, Antelope Valley. I hope all is well and that you had a nice weekend. I'm Mark Troth, broker and co-owner of Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices, Troth Realtors, bringing you the pre-Christmas Antelope Valley real estate market update. It's December 22nd, 2025. And gosh, before we know it, 2026 will be here. So this is the Antelope Valley Real Estate Market Update, where week in and week out, we take a look at exactly what's going on in our local real estate market. I feel it's important that residents and property owners, buyers and sellers here in our Antelope Valley have a trusted local resource to go to follow along with the trends in our local real estate market. As I like to point out every week, our statistics here often get lumped in with greater Los Angeles County, Southern California, and our market is definitely unique unto itself. So before we take that quick peek at what our market is doing, I'd like to give credit to the Greater Antelope Valley Association of Realtors, where we pull our statistics from their MLS system. So where do we start this week of Christmas? Our active listings dropped below 950, 949. That is down from just a tick under 1,000 last week, down 4.8%, which is kind of typical, obviously, as we head into the holidays towards the end of the year. Our pendings took a nice little surprise of a small jump, but we'll take it. Pendings are those properties in escrow under contract, up 2.6%. Did see some pretty decent offer activity last week. So hopefully, maybe this week's going to be definitely a short week. A lot of folks obviously off that Thursday and taking off Friday. So I think our statistics are kind of the same next year with New Year's. So I think our statistics are going to be a little bit skewed as we wrap up 2025. So last week, the week of December 15th through the 21st, new listings, as I mentioned, down 3.3% to 58. Last week we had 60. Median list price of new listings, 472.5, also 4.4% down. This is what I talked about, kind of a surprise last week. Properties going into escrows, up 16.7%, 56 of them from 52 the week prior. Median days on the market of those, up 4 days to 52. Listings sold, and once again, this is reflective of activity 30, 45 days ago. Closed escrows during that week, 43, down 17.3%. Median sales price of those 43 properties up 3% to 435. And our absorption rate, once again, an explanation of that is that if you were to take the active listings by the number of properties that closed over the last 30 days, which was 221, it would take 4.4 months for all those active listings to go away in theory. Absorption rate definitely gives us a good feeling what kind of market we're in. 3 months and below, it would lean more towards a seller's market. 3+ to 6 would definitely be a balanced market. And then 6 months and above would be a buyer's market. So we'll continue to follow along. I feel that's an important statistics. But as always, even though it's week of Christmas, if there's any other information myself or any of our other trusted associates can provide you, by all means, please do not hesitate to reach out. We're here for you. So with that, have yourself a great Christmas week. Hope you get to spend some time with family and just enjoy the holidays. So, all right, everybody, take care. And as I said, make it a great week. And yes, we will talk to you next Monday. All right, everybody. Bye bye.